Adept ultrasonic domestic water meters (DWM) are used to measure the flow rate of water. They function on the basis of transit time method of ultrasonic waves and can measure bidirectional flow. Significant features of Adept's DWM are compact and robust construction with IP68 protection level, no wear and tear, maintenance free, negligible pressure loss, consistent long-term reliability, 10 years battery life, outstanding zero stability, inbuilt wireless communication with options like GPRS and LoRaWAN. Principle of operation for DWM. In an ultrasonic water meter, a pair of acoustic transducers is placed external to the flow tube and along a line that is diagonal to the direction of flow. Each transducer transmits a signal to the opposite transducer, which in turn reflects back the signal to the first transducer. The signals are thus transmitted and received along a diagonal measuring path. A sound wave traveling downstream with the flow travels faster as compared to a sound wave traveling upstream against the flow. The difference in the two transit times is directly proportional to the mean flow velocity of the liquid. Flow computation basics. Technical specifications. Flow measurement. DWM installation guidelines. Before installation. Prior to installation of water meter, thoroughly flush out the pipe and remove any dirty, stone-like items from the pipe. Avoid cavitations in the system. If the possibility of freezing exists, empty the system and, if necessary, remove the meter. If the water is soiled, fit a filter in the pipe before the meter. Mounting the meter. Consider the dimensions of the water meter and its distance from the surroundings. Straight sections of 10 times dn before and 5 times dn after the meter are recommended to streamline the flow of water. The meter is to be so installed that the direction of the arrow on the meter housing corresponds to the direction of flow. Avoid the collection of air bubbles in the meter during the installation process. The connecting pipe at the two ends must be on the same horizontal level. Install the water meter into horizontal or vertical streaming pipelines. To avoid air trap inside the water meter, do not install at the highest point of piping. The water meter must not be installed in the positions where swirling flow exists. Swirling flow is normally caused by pipe bend. Pulsating flow exists. Pulsating flow is normally caused by pump. Therefore, the water meter must be installed as far as possible from the pump and must not be installed at the outlet of pump, or air may build up. The following figure illustrates correct and incorrect mounting locations with respect to the direction of flow as shown. Do not install meters vertically where flow is from top to bottom. After the installation. On completing the installation, confirm that there are no leakages by gradually pressurizing the water line with cold water. When the response thresholds are exceeded and the flow rate is positive, the volume is summated. The working hours are counted from initial connection of the battery. The date is incremented daily. As a standard, the meter is delivered with the local time configured or destination time if required. DWM User Interface. The interface includes an easily readable LCD screen consisting of 8 characters, measuring units, and information icons. Menu operation. The display is normally in the run mode and indicates the totalized flow value. You can navigate the menu by using a flat disk magnet which activates an internal magnetically sensitive switch. Note: the use of short touch less than 5 seconds and long touch more than 5 seconds is required to navigate through the menu. Menu options. Operate the switch to move to menu E. Repeat the switch operation to sequentially move from one menu to the next. Run mode. Operate the switch to view the measurement data, working hours, meter size, and to test the display. Error E menu. Operate the switch to check the error information. Information I menu. Operate the switch to view meter details, communication parameters, current date and time, and also the billing history of the last 24 days, weeks, months. DWMs can be supplied with a built-in GPRS or NB-IoT solution. The SIM cards are fixed inside the meter. The meters send the daily data to Adept's cloud-based data management software. DWMs can also be supplied with a LoRaWAN IoT solution. The meters transfer data daily to the LoRaWAN network server via commercially available gateways. A handheld option is also possible to manually collect the meter's data. The LoRaWAN network server can then transfer data to Adept's cloud data management software or third-party application. Adept offers DWM with RS485 Modbus communication for residential or commercial buildings for smart water management.